Hey there and welcome to Maryam of All Trades. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize text on your Wix website. All you have to do is go to your left-handed menu here, click on the plus icon that says Add Elements. Now, the first element that will be shown on the list is text, so it's going to be very easy. And here you have different types of text. Now, for the themed text here, it just means text that match your website's font and style, etc. So these are the type of theme text. So here we have different types of headings and paragraphs. We also have other titles here. Now you can choose one of these and then customize it however you want it to be. The same goes for paragraphs. We have some collapsible text, which is basically text that shows this read more. So it's sort of like a button. It's great if you want to your website visitors to see suggestions for your blogs, etc. Then we have a text marquee and finally a text mask, which is basically a text that you can add a background image to. So I'm just going to pick a theme text. I'm going to add heading 1. Now here I'm going to scroll down and just move this around. I'm going to delete this hey there and then drag this where I want it to be. So here I'm just going to double click. And then once you double click, you either can click on edit text or just double click, you get the same thing. I'm gonna write welcome. And here I wrote my text. I'm going to customize it however I want it to be. So here you can change the style again. Like I showed you, this the same titles that we've seen before. Here you have the different fonts, and then you can add here if it's bold, italic, etc. You also have the font size, which you can change using pixels. So here you can add increase or decrease the size of your text. Do not forget to select. So here it did not change because it was not selected. So here, for example, I can make this way bigger. And then here we have the bold, we have italic, underline. You can change the color. So here you can add your own color, your own palettes, however you want it to be, highlight and a link. And then you have here the alignment, bullet points, and the indents. Then once you customize all of these, you can add some effects. For example, you can add highlights. So here it looks really nice with the highlights. It makes it look dynamic. And then we have the character line. So here, for example, you can add, you have to select like I showed you again. So here you can add space between your letters. You can add a space between your lines, etc. And then we have the vertical text and the SEO accessibility, which makes it easier for your pages to be searchable. And this is how you add and customize text on Wix website. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful.